Right now, feel like a bird, caged without a key. Everyone comes to stare at me with so much joy and revelry. They don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile I cry. They don't know what they're doing to me, keeping me from flying. And that's why I say that I know why the caged bird sings. Only joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. Why not just set her free so she can fly, 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 spreading her wings and her song. Just let her fly, 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 for the whole world to see. Just let her fly, just let her fly, just let her fly.